Hello, good morning, Sorsogon. This is how I start my day. Sabay muni-muni sa dagat, and as a surfer, here in Gubat, sabay wave check na rin. So after, I do usually jog every morning, and this is how I feel to Sorsogon. And look at the view, sobrang ganda talaga. And pag-uwi ko, natingin ko yung saging, may hinog na pala. So, I decided na kumuha ng kutsilyo para kunin ang saging. Ito yung kagandahan pag nakatira ka sa probinsya. Kasi pag may tinanim ka talaga, may ma-harvest ka. So, etong saging pala ay tanim ng magulang ko. Etong saging pala ay isang Gloria. Kadalasang saging na mayroon kami dito sa Gubat. So, yun. Oops. And yeah, I got it. And then that's for my mini vlog for this day. Thank you.